Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm going to be adding some late summer and early autumn colour to a pre-existing bed using perennials. So earlier in the season, this bed was filled with beautiful spring bulbs and then some early spring and summer perennials. I've had to clear it all out, so it's looking a bit sparse now. I've still got the leftovers of the sweet peas and the clematis. Other than that, it's looking a bit sad. So I've gone to Secret Gardening Club online and I've had a look at what perennials they've got to offer at the moment. I was looking for something to really lift this bed, give us a bit of bright colour, so I've gone for yellows, pinks, blues, anything that will mix with this bed already. All the plants that I've ordered are either $1.99 or $2.99 a pot, so they are super cheap, but they're really good quality plants. Look at this beautiful Coreopsis. That's what that's gonna look like, and it won't take long until it starts flowering. Look, it's got buds on it already. I also chose this fabulous looking Aster, little pink beauty. She's gonna look fab next to my dahlias. Also, to add a bit of height, I wanted to get a grass in. Now this little plant here is looking a tad small, but this is a Celine. This is gonna have really small pink flowers. It'll stay green and flowering for quite a while, so it'll be good for the coming season. And I've also got another Coreopsis, again in yellow, but this one has got lovely sort of eggy oval shaped leaves. Just love those, and they will really mirror the leaves of the cosmos. And finally, a favourite of mine, some goldenrod. The great thing about goldenrod is it will spread and it will cover a lot of this border, so it will really help to suppress the weeds. Those have cost me less than 15 quid. If you spend over 20, you get free delivery. It's an absolute bargain. I've got 6 plants here that will go into this bed, and it just adds so much life and colour. This was an oriental poppy. It was huge. Recently, what I've had to do is chop it all back right down to the ground, just to stop the leaves from rotting the ground underneath. So I'm just going to pop some plants around it just to make everything look a little bit nice. Every garden has its practicalities, and I am stuck with this massive post. An interesting garden feature. So I've popped in this Coreopsis. It should grow up to about 30 centimetres. Okay, let's get planting. Planting, I like to pop things down, pick it up, move it around, see what it looks like in a couple of different places, remembering that, you know, in a couple of weeks' time, a month's time, that plant is going to be a bit bigger and look a little different once it's got its flowers. I like to look at it from different perspectives, so I'll sit this side of the border, I'll walk up the path, and I'll have a look and see just exactly what I think it's going to look like. They're going to be there year after year after year. Plan for the longevity. Don't put them too close together. Spread them out, give them space. It's not going to look exactly right this year, but next year and the year after, it's really going to start to come into its own. As you can see at the moment, this part of the border is in beautiful sunlight, but it doesn't stay like this all day. It's sort of partial sun here, so everything that I'm planting is okay for full sun or partial shade. So all that's left to do is to give this lot a good water. I will have a beautiful perennial border that will go on flowering into late September, early October. Keep an eye on my Instagram to see how it gets on. I'll take some snaps and put them on. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it useful. Please go to my YouTube channel, click subscribe, hit the like button, and leave me a comment in the box below. See you again soon.